Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I am looking at a 44FL. This is our front living floor plan on a Luxe luxury fifth wheel. This is where it all begins. This is where the chassis comes into our plant. We manufacture the chassis. It is done by Lippert to our specifications. We have a couple engineers that give Lippert the specifications that they need to weld and put together our chassis. So this is where the chassis comes into our plant, and they begin to do a number of things. They start to run the wiring. Now the wiring, as you see, looks like a bunch of spaghetti, but it's all color-coded to a specific appliance like a heater or a refrigerator or a microwave or television. That's so that when this unit needs servicing, the service department can know exactly where the issue is and they can track it by a color-coded wire. So everything is going to be automotive loomed. This is where the electrician starts to wire and put all of his harnesses all the way to the back of this unit. You're also going to notice that we're using something a little bit different in this front living floor plan. Just like some of our other floor plans, we're using a stamped cross member where we used to use, and we still use some of them. You can see right back in here where we've used some of the cross members that are actually welded together. These are a stamped cross member, which adds to the strength and makes it a little bit lighter. So we're trying to make improvements as we go along to make these units lighter and stronger. So that's the goal for a lot of fifth wheels manufacturers. Matter of fact, all manufacturers try to get their units lighter and stronger so you have more carrying capacity. So this is where it all begins. From here, they're going to be putting on the hydraulic jacks made by Equalizer. There's 6 of them. And they'll be putting all the hydraulics in this chassis, which the master cylinder will be located up here in the front area. But let us know if you have any questions. You can give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.